Claude for Small Businesses Tutorial Complete Setup Guide. Running a small business today is less about working harder and more about managing your information faster. Customer messages are going to pile up, marketing is going to take a lot of time, and invoices get pretty messy. Decisions are going to get delayed because everything depends on you. And if you are honest, most small business owners are stuck doing everything manually. Now, that is where AI starts to change the game. With Claude AI, you can automate thinking heavy tasks like writing, planning, analyzing, and organizing without hiring a full team. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to use Claude step by step to run a small business more efficiently. So let's get into it. Now, Claude is not a business tool in the traditional sense. It is an AI assistant that helps with writing content, analyzing data, planning strategies, responding to customers, creating documents, structuring workflows. So think of it as a marketing assistant, an operations helper, a writing partner, and a planning analyst. And it is all of that in one system. But of course, it only works well if you use it correctly. Most small businesses are going to lose time in five areas: customer communication, content creation, marketing planning, financial tracking, decision making. Claude helps reduce time spent in all five areas by handling the thinking and writing work. You still run the business, but of course, it is much faster. You don't need any complex setup. You can pretty much start with a clear workspace like Google Docs, Notion, maybe Google Sheets, a structured prompt system, saved templates for repeated tasks. The key is not tools, it is consistency in how you are going to use AI. Now, one of the biggest wins is you can use Claude to reply to customer emails and handle different FAQs, write different polite responses depending on, your business. Maybe it could be a more customer support side, CRM management, and obviously doing all of these things is much better when it comes to a workspace. So, let's say you could ask Claude to respond to a customer complaining about the store policies in a calm, professional tone and offer a solution. Okay, now once we have sent that in, it's going to obviously ask you the question. So you can say the customer has, let's say, the pricing or discount policy. What is the channel for this response? Let's go with email. And once you have done that, you're going to see that Claude is actually going to go through the different, detailings of all of this. And once it's gotten all the connections, as you can see, you can either offer a goodwill gesture or empathize and explain. Now, there's two ways to go around it, sort of A/B testing. As you can see, you have A and you have B. So you can use both of them. So, Claude can generate human-like responses, de-escalation messages, refund or support replies. This pretty much saves hours daily. Now, small businesses constantly need content. Different businesses like social media posts, product descriptions, advertisements, website copy. Claude can pretty much generate all of it. Now, what you can do is you can say, write 5 Instagram posts promoting a small bakery with a friendly tone. Now, once you've written something like that, you get captions, hashtags, engagement hooks, and this pretty much removes creative block completely. It doesn't exist, okay? And it is all gone just as so. Now, if you're starting or improving a business, Claude can help structure that as well. It can help structure the target audiences, the revenue model, the pricing strategies, the marketing channels, the growth plans. So let's say you could add in a prompt like create a simple business plan for a local clothing brand targeting young customers. Now, what you can do is you can add that in, and what's going to happen is it's going to turn vague ideas into structured direction. Now, once we have, of course, gone ahead with this, Claude can pretty much help you organize operations like daily task lists, staff workflows, process documentations, and standard operating procedures or your SOPs. Now, obviously, on this on ahead, you can see Claude really goes ahead and creates a proper planned document for you. So you don't have any issue in understanding, you don't have any issues with the details of it all. And it's really simple. You can also use Claude to manage all of your operations and tasks. You can create a daily workflow checklist for a small coffee shop where you can get opening tasks, service tasks, and even closing tasks. Now, clean processes are going to, of course, reduce the mistakes and the general stress. So, of course, what you can do is you can work along with this pretty easily. And as you can see, Claude doesn't play around. Claude actually goes ahead the full line. Claude is going to create a proper Word document for you explaining all of the things with a proper business plan, and you can check it out in a preview box on the right hand side as well. So pretty much you can combine Claude with tools like spreadsheets or even automational platforms that are going to make your life much easier when it comes to small businesses. And it's a more streamlined flow where small business success is no longer just about effort. It's about how efficiently you are going to handle all of the information. Claude helps reduce workload in writing, planning, communication, and decision making. But the real advantage comes from when you build systems and not one-time prompts. So start small, automate one task at a time, and then expand gradually. Because in 2026, the businesses that win aren't the ones working the hardest. About it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.